All right, guys, so you're thinking about getting into riding? That's awesome. But I gotta say, picking your first bike can feel like trying to pick a favorite Skittle. There are just so many good options. In this video, we're gonna break down some of the best bikes for beginners, focusing on comfort, affordability, and how easy they are to handle. Because let's be real, you don't want to be wrestling a beast of a bike when you're just starting out. So, you're ready to ride? Let's dive into the best beginner motorcycles for comfort, cost, and performance. All right, first up on the list is a bike that consistently gets recommended for new riders, the Honda CB300R. Now, Honda, they're all about reliability, and the CB300R is no exception. This bike is practically bulletproof. The CB300R has a super approachable 300cc engine, which means it's got enough power to keep things fun and exciting. But it's not going to throw you off the back if you twist the throttle a little too hard. And let's talk about the looks. This thing is seriously stylish. It's got that modern, naked bike aesthetic that just looks aggressive and sleek. Overall, the Honda CB300R is an awesome all-around bike. It's comfortable, affordable, and easy to handle, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Now, if you're looking for something a little sportier, then the Kawasaki Ninja 400 might be right up your alley. This is another bike that's super popular with new riders, and for good reason. The Ninja 400, just like the name suggests, has a 400 CEC engine. It's a step up from the CB300R in terms of power, but don't let that scare you. It's still incredibly manageable for beginners, and that extra power can be a lot of fun once you get comfortable. It's got that aggressive sport bike look that just screams speed even when it's standing still. The Ninja 400 is a blast to ride. It's quick, nimble, and super responsive. If you're looking for a bike that's sporty and stylish but still beginner-friendly, this one should definitely be on your list. All right, moving on to another awesome option, we've got the Yamaha MT-03. Now, this bike is all about balance. It's got a great blend of style, comfort, and performance, making it a really versatile choice for new riders. The MT-03 rocks a punchy 321cc engine. You'll be surprised by how quickly this thing can get up and go. But what really sets the MT-03 apart is its comfort. It's got a really upright riding position that's super comfortable for longer rides. And the suspension does a great job of soaking up bumps and imperfections in the road. So if you're looking for a bike that's comfortable, stylish, and fun to ride, definitely check out the Yamaha MT-03. All right, now let's dive into the engine world and talk about two-strokes. For those who might not know, a two-stroke engine completes its power cycle with just 2 strokes of the piston, as opposed to a 4-stroke engine, which takes 4 strokes. Now, 2 strokes are known for their insane power-to-weight ratio. These engines are incredibly lightweight and compact, which makes them perfect for dirt bikes and other off-road machines. And let's talk about the sound. 2 strokes have this unique, high-pitched, almost ripping sound that's just intoxicating. Once you hear it, you'll never forget it. But 2 strokes do have their drawbacks. They're not as fuel efficient as 4 strokes, and they require a bit more maintenance. You'll be mixing oil with your gas, and you'll need to rebuild the top end more often. Now, on the other side of the engine spectrum, we have 4-stroke engines. These are the engines you'll find in most street bikes and a lot of dirt bikes as well. 4 strokes are known for their smooth power delivery and their excellent fuel efficiency. They're also generally more reliable and require less maintenance than their 2-stroke counterparts. You can find 4-stroke engines in everything from tiny scooters to massive touring bikes. While they might not have that same raw explosive power as a 2-stroke, they make up for it with their smooth linear power band, which can be really enjoyable, especially for beginners. Okay, so we've covered 2 of the most popular engine types out there. Now the big question, which one's right for you? Well, it all depends on your riding style and your priorities. If you're all about that raw power, that lightweight feel, and that unmistakable 2-stroke sound, then a 2-stroke might be the way to go. Just be prepared to put in a little extra work when it comes to maintenance. On the other hand, if you're looking for fuel efficiency, smoother rides, and a bike that's going to be reliable for the long haul, then a four-stroke is probably the better option. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to go out and try both. What's your dream first bike? Let me know down in the comments. So there you have it, guys. A rundown of some awesome beginner motorcycles and a breakdown of the two-stroke versus four-stroke debate. Hopefully, this video has given you a better idea of what to look for when you're choosing your first bike. Hit subscribe for more tips and see you on the road.